Hello everybody, this is Oscar Gomez. In this occasion, I would like to share with you this information about the APTIS test. So to get started, what is APTIS? Well, APTIS is a service offered by the British Council designed to help organizations measure how well people understand and use the English language. As we know, the British Council is responsible for some international tests, like the IELTS, for instance, which is a very well recognized and prestigious test all over the world. However, the British Council decided to design another international test in this occasion to help mainly organizations to measure the level of English of their employees as well as to filter the best manpower, those people with the best quality for their organizations. So this was precisely the main purpose of this test, but we can see that eventually this test has been evolving and has been used for many people in this case for different purposes. So what is the purpose of the exam? The main purpose of the exam is to assess ability in all four English skills: speaking, listening, reading, and writing for levels A1, A2, B1, B2. So the main purpose is to assess these four abilities regarding the common European framework of references for languages. What kind of people can take this exam? So this test is designed for every single person, adults, young people, but the condition that these people suggest is that these young people have to be older than 16 years old. What is the main goal of the exam? Well, the main goal is to evaluate the four language skills: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. And also, this test contains a core component, which is grammar and vocabulary. So as we can see, this is a very complete test that contains, apart from the four fundamental language skills, a core component based on vocabulary and grammar. What are the most significant characteristics of the exam? Flexibility. This test is flexible because it allows the user to answer in real time, but also to upload the answers later after the test. So this is a very good option because it allows people to do the test immediately or take some time to upload the answers. It has a core component, as I mentioned earlier. This test has something called the core component, which is basically the evaluation of grammar and vocabulary. Adjust to needs. Well, as I mentioned before, this test was designed mainly for organizations, so people and specifically organizations who want to look for their manpower, the best qualified people for their jobs, can use this exam in order to know the level and proficiency of their employees in different areas. So it adjusts to their needs because they can decide whether they want to assess only some specific skills like listening or writing or even reading or speaking. So it doesn't matter the needs that this organization has, British Council can design packages for the specific needs. Cheap. Well, this test in comparison to other international tests is very cheap, and I guess that many people can afford taking it. And lastly, accessible because it can be presented in different formats. We got the virtual format and also the paper-based one. What skills are evaluated through the exam and how are they evaluated? Well, it's going to use the help of this chart. Here we can see all the test components, which are grammar and vocabulary as a core component, with the four fundamental skills: speaking, writing, listening, and reading. We got the length: grammar and vocabulary 25 minutes, speaking 12, writing 50 minutes, listening 50 minutes, reading 30 minutes, and their score from a scale of 0 to 50. There is a total of 60 tasks for the grammar and vocabulary. All the four skills are scored regarding the CEFR, from A1 to C, and also the scale goes from 0 to 50. Speaking has 4 tasks, writing 3 tasks, and reading 4 tasks. What scale is used to get the results? As I was talking about earlier in this video, APTIS uses a score on a numerical scale from 0 to 50 for the grammar and vocabulary section, and also from 0 to 50 and a CFRA level from A1 to C for each skill taken, and also it provides a global mark for individuals. So it is really important to mention at this point that there are different formats for APTIS. In this occasion, I'm focusing on the general format, but there is also APTIS for teachers and the new module, which is the APTIS Advanced, that is basically focused on proficient levels like C1 or C2. Would you take that exam in the future? Why? Well, actually, I already took the test. It was a great experience. I would definitely recommend taking this exam as it is very cheap, accessible, flexible. And one of the most important things about this test is that it's been recognized for many organizations here in Colombia nationwide, but also worldwide. So if you're planning to validate some courses maybe at the university, or if you're planning to apply for a job, I think this is one of the best options because it is really cheap and it has been becoming really popular and accepted, which is something really important for many organizations. So it was everything I wanted to share. Thank you for listening and see you next time.